Hey guys, Rob Wilson here from EzyMarketer. Really excited today, really excited to be able to present to you our brand new upgrade to EzyMarketer. And one of the best things about this upgrade is it's another free upgrade for you. And what I'm going to show you today is our new podcast element upgrade. Now, we all know how popular podcasts have become. So many people are listening to podcasts every day. And further good news on that is that our actual standalone podcast platform is nearly completed as well. But that won't be used in competition to what I'm going to show you today. It can be used to supplement what I'm going to show you today. So let's forget all of what I just said then about our standalone program, and now let's have a look at the podcast element that you can put into your websites. So we come over here to the left of our dashboard, go to EzyMarketer, click on Web Builder, go to Websites, and let's go over here and create a new website. And we're going to call this Podcast Test. Create. Wait for the control panel and everything all to be set up for you. There we go. First thing we do is empty our page. Yes. Okay, so come over here to the elements. So over here on the elements, if we scroll down, you'll see two new elements here. We have a new audio element and the new podcast element. Now with the audios, we've got a little bit hard to see on the screen here with this, but we've got all sorts of combinations of audios that will fit underneath the image elements that we already have. So let me just delete those for a sec. And let's go and put some images in there and I'll show you what this can be used for. So I come over here to images. Oops, where am I? Images. And let's have a look at combination of three. Where are we? No, gallery. Gallery is where I want it. Sorry, we've got so much in EzyMarketer now. I struggle myself at remembering where everything is. So we might want to have three images. So we just drag and drop them. There they are. Now we might want to put an audio underneath each of those three images. So if we come over here, come to our audio elements. Here they are, and here's the three, the row of three, so we grab that, pop it over here. Okay, so now you can see that we've got three audios already underneath each of these. So of course you're going to go and change your graphics in here. I'm not going to teach you how to do that today, but with the audio element, you just click on the audio, and then you either enter the path of your audio file, whether that's an Amazon S3 path, or you can go and upload your audio directly from here. So click on select audio, and then you'll go and grab it from your computer, and it will then be embedded into your page for you. So that is how quick and easy it is to add audio elements to your page. Now let me delete that for a sec, and then we get into the really exciting one, is the podcasts. So we come back to our elements. Oops, come to podcasts, and here we go. Look how easy it is to create a podcast into your website. Click, drag, bam, drop, there it is. So we can change everything on this. You want to change that image, you click on the image, put the image path in there, or you go and upload it from your computer. It's got the measurements here. You need the image to be 200 by 200 pixel. Okay, you can make that image a link if you wish, the same as what you can with all of our image elements. Here on this one, for an example, is our daily marketing tips, and it's episode number 4, using voiceovers for podcasts. Okay, so you can just click on the text and go and change anything you want to change in here for your podcast. Now, let's preview that. Wait for it to do its magic. It's uploading that right now. There it is there. Let's play this. Really interesting for you to listen to this. Rob Wilson here from EzyMarketer, and welcome to my daily marketing tips. In today's podcast, I'm going to be discussing how to use easy text-to-speech to create incredible human-like voiceovers just like this.
Hi, it's Mary here from Easy Text-to-Speech. I am one of Rob's incredibly talented voice artists, and I'd like to welcome you to Rob's Daily Marketing Tips. In today's podcast, Rob's going to be discussing how to use easy text-to-speech to create incredible human-like voiceovers just like mine. Sit back, relax, and enjoy today's show.
Okay, so see what I did with that? I put some music at the beginning when I created my audio file, and that will be an intro for all of my podcasts, and then it's me introducing the podcast, and I've got an example in there of easy text-to-speech. Now, a lot of people don't like the sound of their own voice, or they might have an accent and they don't want that accent to be displayed. They might want it to be in a different language or whatever. That's where easy text-to-speech is just so good for that. You just go and write your script and upload it to easy text-to-speech, click the button, and within seconds, you've now created your own podcast. Now, let's make it look a little bit better than what this is. So I'm going to close that now. And let's go and put a header on the top of it. So if we come back here to Elements and we go to Images, and I want a full size header or a full size image, drag it, pop it up the top. I'm going to grab that from my computer now. And what was it called again? Just bear with me a sec. Rob's Daily. There it is. Apply changes. Okay, that's looking a bit better, isn't it? Okay, so there's a header on here, and then it's going to have my podcast episode underneath that. Now, what I've done is I've done an example here. Let's have a look at this. All right, so that's what I created just then by putting the header on the top and then the podcast. Now, if you want to monetize it, this is just an idea, but you've got so much flexibility with EzyMarketer of putting all different elements in here. Look what I've put underneath here. All right, I've got an element here with an image that I've created. Now, this is to be able to download a free report about using voiceovers. Okay, why did I put that on there? Well, this episode is talking about voiceovers. So if you want to be able to build your email list, then you could be giving away a free report about whatever your episode of your podcast was. So then the person enters their details in here, and then they go and download their report. I've then gone and added a big button on the bottom of here, which was a 7-day trial to easy text-to-speech for only $1. Now, as an EzyMarketer client, you've all got that as an opportunity within your EzyMarketer. Just click on Easy Text-to-Speech on your left-hand menu, and then you can get a $1 trial as well. So there's a way that you can monetize your blog, or you can use it for lead generation, or you can go and sell something in there too. You could go and use any of our e-commerce elements and put in there. So if we come back over here to our page again, how did I create what I just showed you then? We come up here to Elements, and we come down to Images, and I used this one. Picture on the left, text on the right. Drag it, drop it, bam, there it is. Let's reorganize the page. Okay, so that here is the element that I used to create this. Okay, picture on the left, text on the right. I'm not going to get into all the editing of that today, right? But what else did I do? I had an opt-in underneath this. So let's go now and find our opt-ins. So where are they? Here they are, opt-ins. And it's just a single line opt-in. Here it is. Drag and drop. Rearrange it. There's our opt-in. Okay, so you just click on the opt-in and then go and choose your contact list and so forth and so forth. Look at our other training to learn how to do all that, but today is about our podcast element and showing you ways that you can utilize the podcast element on your website. Now, the last thing that I had on there was a big button. So if we come to our buttons, Here it is. So which button did we have? All right, if you look at these layouts of the buttons, you'll notice that they're the same as our audio layouts, because you can place the buttons underneath all the different images, and it's designed to fit perfectly with the different images in there. But this one is a full length button, so I grab that, drop it. Let's rearrange it. Bam, there it is here. So then you just go and alter that. So now what else have we got? Now we go into another section, so I've got a divider on there, so we come over here and we go to lines. Here's our lines, and I've got this line, drag it, drop it, rearrange it. Doesn't want to play today. Okay, we'll realign this way then. That's better. Pop this one up. My mouse is playing up here on me today. Okay, there we go. There's that bit. And then from here, what have I done? All right, I've put another episode here about auto webinars. Okay, then you can download a book on an ebook on webinars. Now, I haven't activated this, so don't go and try to download or anything on there, because there won't be anything there to download. It's just purely for today's demonstration for you. And then my next one down here is about sales funnels. Okay, now what you can do if you wanted to is click on any of the links to go and see about our sales funnel builder and so forth, but just there isn't any downloads or anything in there. But see what I've done here? Look at this. Episode 4 is about voiceovers, easy text to speech. Okay, episode 3 is about auto webinars. That's our easy webinars program. Number 2 is our creating sales funnels. Why did I do that? Because we've got a funnel builder in EzyMarketer. Then our last one down here, which was episode 1, is about creating your own e-learning center. Why? Because we have Educate. So what I've done here is that I've created the blog posts. I've created not blog, you can do a blog as well on this to supplement this too if you wish, but I've created a podcast, all right, with different episodes in here, all to be able to promote my different products. So it's just limited to your imagination of what you want to go and create a blog about. I've got blog stuck in my head. What you can create a podcast all about. You can create unlimited of these guys on unlimited domains. Whatever domains that you have in our system, you can go and create these podcasts for them. One other thing that we should add to the bottom, let me see if I've got it on here. I'm going to refresh this page. Yes, we've got our footer down here. So let's come over here and look at our footer. Here's our footer element. And I use this one, drag it and drop it. Okay, it has a disclaimer, terms of use and the privacy policy already there. You just go and click on them and then go in and edit those to suit however you wish it to be. Put your URL and link it here, and it's made by EzyMarketer. If you don't want that on there, you can take that off there as well. You can have your name on there, or if you're a graphics person or a web builder, you could put your details and your link and everything on the bottom of that as well. So guys, I hope you like that. That is showing you how quick and easy it is to add audio elements to your websites, and now to create podcast elements and have them on your website as well. So stay tuned guys, we're constantly making upgrades. We've got a lot more upgrades in the pipeline that will be coming to you soon.